Hello and welcome to Motor World India. This is Nilgendra. We are at Bajaj's Pune plant and there is a lot of commotion here because the 400 prints have just been launched. I'm sure by now you must have been aware of what the pricing is going to be like. We will share all those details and even more in a bit. First, have a look at the bike. Our first glance of the motorcycle tells us that it reeks of quality. Every millimeter of the motorcycle is actually being paid a lot of attention. It's like somebody at Triumph actually sat down, expanded each and every millimeter of the motorcycle and asked questions about what would you like to see here. Let's have a closer look at the center console. All motorcycles across the Triumph's modern classic range sport an analog display and a monochrome display for the telltale lights. This motorcycle gets the same. Pretty high quality. The switch gear is nice to look at. It feels of good quality. The switches operate really well. This is a pre-production motorcycle and the production motorcycle may get better quality. Let's wait for that. The switch gear on the left side is high quality too. There is a high and low beam switch. There is an information switch to go through all the modes available on the center console. There is a horn switch and an indicator switch. A closer look at the 42mm upside down forks. Well, who doesn't like for their forks to be golden color? A closer look at the 400cc mill. Well, if you notice, this bike is liquid cooled and has fins on the cylinder block as well. That in our conditions is going to be a good aid towards cooling. These are the tires on the Speed. They are MRF steel braces. We recently heard that this bike may come short with Apollo tires in production guys, not locked in one. But this bike internationally gets sold with Magellan M9 RS. As you can see, everything is pretty high quality. All these parts are very good to touch and they look like they are actually finished really well. A closer look at the Scrambler. This is what the 19-inch wheel looks like. The other primary difference is the double barrel exhaust on the Scrambler and those button tires. Not too many differences between the cockpit of the Scrambler and the Speed. The Scrambler gets mirrors that are mounted on stocks versus the Speed gets mirrors that are mounted on at the end of the bars. The Scrambler also gets a taller handlebar. Of course, with the nature of stuff that the Scrambler is going to do, it definitely needs that. The press release says that there are 25 different accessories available for these motorcycles. This show bike here that we see comes shod with a tail bag, a tank bag, LED turn signals, bar and mirrors, and a touring windscreen.